Good morning, friends. Happy Thursday. I'm gonna make myself a little bigger. No, wait, it's not Thursday. It's definitely Tuesday. Gracious. Have my days off. We're gonna talk a little bit about what we're doing today. And then I'm gonna let you have at it. So the first thing you're gonna do is watch this video of me. So that's gonna be number 1 on your screen. Number 2 is our whole's written response for today. This is a little bit different than what we've been doing because I'm giving you a choice about what you want to write about. So if you look, okay, it's actually not out of 100 points. It's only out of 10 points. So don't panic about that. And you have two attempts. I'll make it so that you have 2 attempts. But it looks like this. It says write a paragraph, at least a paragraph about one of the topics below. You must use complete sentences and cite evidence from the novel to receive full credit. So you need to use your novel, it would be your PDF copy, to help you with this. You cannot just go at it willy-nilly, okay? Think about the challenges Stanley and Zero face as they climb God's thumb. Have you ever tried to do something this difficult? Write about it. What does the word hope mean to you? Why is it important to them? And what gives them hope? How do they credit them for themselves? That means how do they kind of take hold of it for themselves? And then do any of the characters remind you of someone in your own life? Compare or contrast. You only have to pick one of these writing prompts. So you don't have to do all 3. Just choose the one that you're most interested in. But you need to write a good, solid paragraph for me, okay? So that's for today. If you are behind, you got to get to it. So make sure then today needs to be a catch-up day. You need to make sure that you're trying to catch up with me, okay? My brain just stopped. Okay. Then I also want you, if it's going to load, to continue reading 38 through 41, okay? And then the other thing that we're going to be working on today is I'm going to have you write your conclusion for your research report. So I'm going to pop over here. I haven't put that on here yet, but right here, okay, here's my example research report. Ta-da! About my bowhead whale. And I have sort of laid it all out. So I have my Arctic Ocean. Okay, I have my hook. I have my thesis statement. I have my my first fact, my second fact, and my third fact. I don't actually have a conclusion. So what I would do, okay, is you need to go up to the top of your screen, okay, at the top of your essay, and you're going to write a conclusion. And a conclusion is basically just like a sandwich. You're really beginning and ending your story the same way. So we began our example by saying the Arctic Ocean might seem like a place where you wouldn't find much life, but it is the natural and preferred habitat of many animals, including the bowhead whale. So what I would want to do, I'm going to click to add a note down here, is I'm going to just write my my conclusion down here, and then I could add it in later. So really, I just want to kind of wrap up everything that I've talked about. I know that they are musical and have lived in the ocean for a long time. I know that they have a U-shaped jaw that's really long, and I know that they have thick blubber. So I'm going to say, if I want to restate the beginning, I'm going to say something like the bowhead whale. I know this is kind of small, but it's okay. The bowhead whale I could say has several important adaptations. I like that allow it to survive in places like the Arctic Ocean. Which is almost exactly what's up here, okay? So I'm sort of just restating what I've already said. If you're writing about the light bulb, okay, and you introduce it, your conclusion is going to be pretty similar. You really want to sandwich that. between. So you want to restate what you've already talked about in your thesis statement. So then what I would do is add that in. So that's my example. And their copy has like 2 pages, but I'm just having you write 1 paragraph. So you should have plenty of room down at the bottom for it. So the things that we have done, you should have your, I don't know what that was. You should have your paragraph pretty much done after you write your conclusion. You should have your picture chosen, and then you should have a fact right over here. The only other thing that we're going to continue working on is we're going to kind of work on a caption or another sort of text feature, probably next week. But you should be getting kind of close to done. I believe in you. I know you can do it. So today, what I want you to do is just work on your conclusion. Okay, wrap it all up. Wrap it all up. Okay. If you have questions, as usual, please email me. It's a little bit gloomy out today, so hopefully you can stay cozy and stay inside and work. Yeah, I miss you. I think you're all awesome, and I'm gonna say goodbye. Bye, guys.